Okay guys, another cube to open for unboxing week. If you aren't aware, this week's unboxing week, and if you haven't seen my other unboxing videos, I recommend you watch them. Okay, so, time to open it. The last one was a magnetic 3x3, the Moyu Meilong 3M. That's going to be hard to beat, but this cube might just do the trick. And look, it comes with a stand. My other stands do not look like this. My other stands are like blue and look nothing like this. So, a 5x5. Here's directions. Here's the 5x5. This is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. Like 4. Okay, that is scary. That's really scary. That just shows how much smaller 5x5 is. The 4x4 is literally bigger. Okay, that's off to a scary start. This is not what I expected. But turning wise, it turns pretty good. It's a lot smaller than I thought. It's gonna need some getting used to, because I'm not used to so many small pieces. I really hope that this doesn't pop anytime soon. So yeah, a 5x5 with its cool stand. Corner cutting. Let's say it pretty much isn't very good, but what can you really expect from it? It's hard to tell what the corner cutting's like, but it's okay. It's not the best corner cutting in the world. It's definitely not as much corner cutting as my 4x4, but I'm not doing a review on my 4x4 right now. It is a pretty good cube. It wasn't what I was expecting. The picture totally made it look like it was going to be way bigger. I should have known. Actually, I have no idea why I should have known. But here is the cube. My 5x5 now. Moyu meilong 5x5. Or whatever it's called. It's a meilong cube though. I know that. So, thanks for watching this. If you are wanting this cube, then I will have a link down below. I think it is worth how much it cost me. Definitely worth it. A little bit smaller than I expected, but I guess I just didn't get a clear view of what the size was going to be. Maybe my 4x4 is just a little bit too big. I don't know, but it may be a little bit small, but it's a really good cube. I can just tell it's a good cube. From my experiences with 4x4s and 3x3s, this is a good cube. For not being magnetic, it's not magnetic. It is a really good 5x5 for not being magnetic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.